Honorable Chairman, members of the National Working Committee, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen, I don't intend to make a long speech. The reason is every issue, every challenge, every problem confronting us as a country and as a people has been stated on this platform. What I would like to appeal to Nigerians, and particularly members of the ADC, is to make sure that this time around we really need to change the situation in the country. I remember when the APC was being formed, the entire political leadership in this country from various parties stormed into my house and said, look, if you don't come in APC, this is not possible. They literally compelled me to join APC, only for us to end in this state of affairs. Our economy gone, our sovereignty gone, our security gone, our education gone, our infrastructure zero, healthcare gone. Now, what kind of a people are we? We must rise and make sure that there is change, and a genuine change, a sincere change to rectify all these challenges I have enumerated. We are people of my own generation are in this game, if you call it game, because of you, young men and women, our children and our grandchildren. This country has been good to us, but we don't believe that this country is being good to the current generation, to the youth, to the women, to the future of this country. That is why we are today in ADC, to bring about sincere change. Believe me, you cannot get away with corruption in the government of ADC. You cannot. You cannot get away compromising with criminals and terrorists to make life impossible in this country. No, that is not what we intend to do. Absolutely not. Therefore, it is a struggle for all Nigerians. But I will not end these remarks without indicting the chairman of INEC and INEC itself. Because it is clear, it is obvious, the evidence is there, INEC is being used to scuttle democracy in this country. Now let the federal government know that we fought the military to bring democracy in this country, and we are going to fight them to bring democracy. Let the chairman know we are not going to let him get away with his illegalities. We will not. And I hope we will have